another harvest. This is excellent year. We actually have another 2 weeks, but we will see it's gonna happen. We can say, when we talk about harvesting and vintages, in a few words, we can say some ways doesn't matter, in some ways really matter. Doesn't matter if we're looking for the wine to drink every day and we don't pretend, but it's matter if we want to keep our wine and enjoy in some years. Another thing I would like to say actually, that winemaking and wherever it's around, the wine and the food and the gastronomy, probably it's one of the most beautiful things which can happen in our lives. I personally think that this is going to be one of the probably the best vintages in the last 15 years, considering even some other vintages we had already. And but anyway, we don't want to sing the glory, because we have another 2 weeks before the harvest, and we will show you the results in about 5 years when wine is going to be released, talking about Brunello di Montalcino.